वहाँ हरदम क्यों भटके रे मन, यहाँ वहाँ हरदम चारों धाम है तेरे मन में, फिर तुझको क्या गम। चल मन चल अपने घर को चल, चल मन चल अपने घर को चल। मन में गंगा, मन में यमुना, मन में मथुरा काशी, मन में अंधेरा मन में उजाला, क्यों भटके परदेसी। हो मन में गंगा, मन में यमुना, मन में मथुरा काशी, मन में अंधेरा मन में उजाला, क्यों भटके परदेसी। चल मन चल अपने घर को चल, चल मन चल अपने घर को चल। चारों धाम है तेरे मन में, फिर तुझको क्या गम।
चल मन चल अपने घर को चल। What does this mean? What does it mean?
Hey Sudhir, what happened? What happened to you, brother?
Why are you so emotional?
Sambhu bhai, where is this ghar apne? Whenever I listen and sing this song, something happens within me and I can't go beyond the second line.
अरे अपने घर is अपने घर, where you live with your family.
No jokes please. I am serious.
Your house, my brother, is God. You must finally go to Him.
But when?
As soon as or as late as you want.
Is that so simple? I want it now. Can I just walk across the threshold?
That may not be a cakewalk like that. But first, want to go to your home, God. Do you want Him as dearly as we want so many other things? No.
Brothers, this going apne ghar has been haunting me for quite some time now. How will I find the way to it?
Look, Sudhir, you are asking a wrong person. Only God can take you to Him. Ask Him.
This is the problem, Sambhu bhai. Last year, when for the first time I went to Prashanti Nilayam in a youth pilgrimage, Bhagwan took my letter, smiled at me, which was an indication that he had accepted my prayer. But now, he is gone. How will he fulfill my prayer?
My dear, whatever your prayer might be, He has never gone anywhere. He is ever present everywhere.
Now no philosophy please. I want to go home and you say, God is my home. So God must come, take my hand and lead me there.
Sudhir, I like your simplicity. But try to understand. God lives in your heart as much as outside it. If you can't see Him outside, you will see Him in your heart. So going to God is discovering God inside your heart.
But Sambhu bhai, I see only darkness in my heart. I miss my God so much. Don't you?
I do, Sudhir, very much. But I know, if I must find him in my heart, I have to purify it.
How do you do that?
Swami himself has told us what to do. He said, you must purify your thoughts, emotions, and your actions to find God. Now I'll give you an instance, a real incident. It happened just last month to a cousin of mine who is studying in a college and stays in the hostel.
Sundar, what will happen to me now? Shall I be on this wheelchair all my life?
No, Ravi. Just relax. Don't have such dark thoughts. Have you lost faith in Swami?
Swami? Where is Swami now? When he was available, I used to run to him even for smallest problem. But now where will I go? Who will take care of me? I am feeling so lonely and lost. I may confess, sometimes I am angry with him for leaving me so abruptly.
He can't give you up, Ravi. In fact, Swami is integral to our lives. Where will he go? Pray to him and he will surely respond. Now, be a good boy, sit here and relax. I will go and get your dinner.
Swami, you told me you shall be always with me. Is it how you fulfill your promise? Please, please come now and be with me. I need you now. I can't use this leg and doctors can't diagnose the problem. Don't tell me it is my fate, my karma, and I have to live all my life on a wheelchair. Except my parents, all other relatives say, what did your Sai Baba do? I can't tolerate people talking ill of you. I tell you, Swami, until you come and do something, I will not touch even a drop of water.
Ravi? Hey Ravi, get up. Have your dinner and sleep. No, let him sleep. He is very much distraught, very much shaken. Swami, please help my friend out of his dark thoughts. Please.
కేవలం దేహాన్ని ధరించడాలే కానీ దేహంలో ఉన్నటువంటి భావాలను మీరు ఏమాత్రం అర్థం చేసుకోవటం లేదు. దేహం అనగా కేవలం ఇంద్రియాలతో కూడినటువంటిదే దేహము. నీవు దేహస్వరూపుడు కాదు, దేహము నిరామయుండు. గడుతింపక దేవిక చావు పుట్టుకలు మోహ నిబంధ బంధనలు ముద్రలు లేవు. జంబు చూడ ఆ దేహియే దేవదేవుడు.
Sundar, Sundar!
What happened? What happened, Ravi?
Lights! Don't come here. Stand there only.
What happened, Ravi?
Swami is here. I can feel his presence.
Where? I can't see a thing.
Don't you get his fragrance? I felt. He was standing near my bed and spoke to me.
Can I come now? Ravi! What is this?
What? Sundar, it is Bhagwan's footprint. The right foot.
Ravi, what did you do?
What did I do? Oh, Sundar! I'm okay now. I can stand. I can walk. I can even dance. Oh, Sundar. What a fool I have been. I doubted Bhagwan and threatened him. Look, he himself came and left an indication of his right foot. For my right foot is in trouble. Swami, Swami, please forgive me. Pray heal my soul. Destroy my disbelief, my doubts.
अब जाना मैं अब जाना, अब जाना मैं अब जाना, किसी भी दिल से दूर नहीं है, पास है तू, एक विश्वास है तू, एक एहसास है तू, जब भी कोई याद किया हाँ उसके पास है तू। अब जाना मैं अब जाना, अब जाना मैं अब जाना। इस पल भी तू है, उस पल भी तू, तू आज भी है कल भी तू, रास्ता भी तू है, मंजिल भी तू, तू ही है दरिया, साहिल भी तू, टूटे दिल के वास्ते एक आस है तू, एक विश्वास है तू, एक एहसास है तू, जब भी कोई याद किया हाँ उसके पास है तू। अब जाना मैं अब जाना, अब जाना मैं अब जाना, किसी भी दिल से दूर नहीं है, पास है तू, एक विश्वास है तू, एक एहसास है तू, जब भी कोई याद किया हाँ उसके पास है तू, जब भी कोई याद किया हाँ उसके पास है तू।
Sambhu bhai, I don't know what to say.
Don't say anything, brother. Only observe the truth.
How is Ravi, your cousin now? Is he completely healed?
He's getting better slowly, but he doesn't care about that. He says he feels Swami is always with him, closer than he ever was. He feels like a little child spending time with his mother. If this is not going home, Sudhir, what else is?
Yes, Sambhu bhai. I understand. Going home is going to God. And in fact, you don't have to go anywhere. Just purify your negative thoughts with prayer and you see our Swami right there in your heart.
Sambhu bhai, now Sudhir is okay. Let us go to the market to purchase ration for our orphanage.
Okay.
जिंदगी से रूठ रहते हैं, चुप है पर इनके आंसू कहते हैं। ये तो पतझड़ के टूटे पत्ते हैं, ये तो पतझड़ के टूटे पत्ते हैं, गम के साए में राह चलते हैं, गम के साए में राह चलते हैं, गम खाते हैं, अश्क पीते हैं, रोज मरते हैं फिर भी जीते हैं। जिंदगी से रूठे रहते हैं, जिंदगी से रूठे रहते हैं। चुप है पर इनके आंसू कहते हैं, ये तो पतझड़ के टूटे पत्ते हैं, ये तो पतझड़ के टूटे पत्ते हैं। गम के साए में राह चलते हैं। वो कलियां हैं जो खिलेगी नहीं, ये वो कलियां हैं जो खिलेगी नहीं। कभी खुशियों से ये मिले ही नहीं। सुनो बेदर्द है जहां वालों, प्यार की एक नजर उन पे भी डालो, प्यार की एक नजर उन पे भी डालो। क्या करे ये नसीबों के मारे हैं, क्या करे ये नसीबों के मारे हैं। ये तो बेघर हैं, बेसहारे हैं, उन्हें भी हक है उनको जीने दो, उनको भी हक है उन्हें जीने दो। खुशियों के दो घूंट पीने दो, उन्हें जीने 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 दो।
Hey, 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 don't eat from the dustbin.
No, no, I will eat. I will eat.
No, no, my dear.
Oh my God! Blood is coming out. Wait, wait. Let me move and call my brother. He's a doctor. Come on, hurry up. Maro, Maro इसको. Thrash him. He's a bad fellow. Beat him. Maro, Maro इसको.
Hold on, brothers. Don't thrash him. He's just a little boy, not an animal. We have to find out why he's eating from the dustbin. Have pity on him, please.
Pity? He beat you and you ask for pity?
Leave him to suffer. Let's go.
Yes, yes. चलो.
अरे भाई हटो हटो हटो, रास्ता दो ना। Hey Suraj, what happened?
Shambhu bhai, Suraj, Rasik and me were going to our orphanage. We saw this boy was eating from the dustbin. Suraj wanted to pursue him not to eat from the dustbin. But this boy held his hand and beat him.
Oh no.
Brother, please attend him. Suraj, show your hand.
Oh. Thank God. Teeth not gone into the flesh. Otherwise, it would have been very serious. Do one thing. Take him to the hospital and give him a toxide.
Thank you, brother.
Okay. I am coming.
Sambhu bhai, look at this boy. He too is our Swami's child, isn't he? He is very hungry, so he eats from the dustbin. He has no one to care for him, so he is on streets.
You are right, Suraj. We will take him to hospital and look after him. Swami will surely show him a new life. Come, my child. Come. We will give you good food to eat and decent clothes to wear. Come. Come with us.
Doctor, what is the condition of this boy?
The boy is all right now. It is entirely a case of utter negligence and starvation. There is no physical deficiency in him. But yes, he needs a lot of loving care for a long time. But listen, he doesn't trust anybody except you. So you find out his home and inform his parents. If they're alive, or later you might get into trouble, I'll discharge him today and you may take him with you. Okay, I'm coming.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you. Baba, what's your name?
Gangu.
What is your father's name?
Mangu.
Your village?
Kapilaspur.
Sambhu Bhai, this Kapilaspur is not very far from here. I and Sudhir will go and look for this Mangu and find out more about the boy.
Yes, do that today. Really, Suraj, I am so happy Bhagavan used us as instruments to save a precious soul.
Then we shall take Gangu to his parents tomorrow.
No, no. I will not go there. I will stay with you. I will never beat anyone.
Are? No. No, Baba, no. Our Gangu is not going anywhere. Baba, what is your father? Who are the other members of your family?
We are very poor, sir. My father is a laborer. We are 4 brothers and sisters. But, sir, we have no mother. She died last year. We have nothing to eat and wear. Please, sir, please don't send me to my village. I will always be with you.
Don't cry, my son. Are? No. Listen, our Gangu is not going anywhere. Do you know, Gangu? We have a big home for children. So many children live there. You are going to live there.
But you will always be with me.
Always. If I am not there, then this Sudhir Bhai, Suraj Bhai and some other brothers will be with you.
So many brothers I have.
Yes, so many. You will go to school and be a big man.
No, I don't want to be a big man. I want to be like you.
Sairam Sambhu Bhai.
Sairam brothers. Our Gangu will stay here until Suraj gets information from Kapilaspur.
Sambhu Bhai, then we'll include Gangu in our family. Why not? Come Gangu, come. From today, you will stay here and go to school.
Sambhu Bhai, what Gangu said is correct. Gangu's father Mangu is so poor that he doesn't have the means to care for his children.
When we told him that his son's condition was caused by the lack of love as much as lack of food, there was no reaction in his face. They did not understand what love and lack of it actually means.
They said, since they could not feed him, he left home months ago, and they did not know where he had gone. Because of poverty, they could not go places to look for him.
Unfortunately, Suraj, this indifference is no less rampant even in the well-to-do families. Most juvenile problems are caused by lovelessness. Parents feel if they send their children to school and give them good food, their work is over. Children are denied their love and care. If they turn monsters, later can you blame them?
Then we have to keep Gangu with us.
Yes, until his mind is healed. He is terribly alone and has no human feelings. That deranged him. Their minds are sick due to our indifference and selfishness. This poison we spread in making the society more and more violent.
This is quite scaring.
Then we will keep Gangu in our orphanage.
Yes, my brother, yes.
Sambhu Bhai, it appears my heart will burst in happiness. This boy, who thought he will fully recover in less than a month? Isn't it a miracle?
Yes, Sudhi. Our Bhagavan is a living miracle. You were missing him sometimes earlier, were not you? Now, do you still think he has left you?
Oh, he is here right now. My joy tells me that wherever his work is done, he is present.
Yes, you can buy God only when you sell yourself to Him.
Who is Sambhu Bhai?
I am Sambhu.
Oh, Jailer Sahab has sent this man to you. Jagu has been released today. So, Jailer Sahab asked me to leave him with you.
But his term is supposed to be over 2 years later.
Yes, but because of good conduct, his term has been reduced. Here is Jailer Sahab's letter for you. Jagu Bhai, I am going. May God make you happy. Don't mind. I have sometimes beaten you in the jail, but I did that by order of Jailer Sahab. Forgive me, brother. Forgive me.
What is this, Jagu? The policeman calls you brother and apologizes for beating you.
Suraj Bhai, all because of your kindness and our Swami's love. Last year, I told everybody in the jail we should call each other brother. First they laughed at me. But when I started calling everybody Bhai, even the policeman picked up.
Listen, brothers. This is what the jailer has written about Jagu. Jagu has changed amazingly. There is no more any hate, anger, and violence in him. He loves everyone, serves everyone, and obeys all rules gladly. I don't hesitate to say, in my 30 years as jailer, I have never come across any convict charged with murder changed so much. Therefore, he is released 2 years earlier. It is all due to Baba's grace and the selfless work of your group has been doing here in the jail. Thank you. Jagu Bhai, now you are our brother. But why did you come here? Go home and start a new life.
You call me a brother? Sambhu Bhai, last night when Jailer Babu told me I would be set free today, I cried the whole night. Last year, my wife died. Now, where would I go? Our Swami came in my dream and told me, Jagu, why you are crying? Your past is over. Bad karma finished. You are a changed man now. Tomorrow go to my boys running the orphanage. Stay there. Serve the little children. Treat them as your own children. I will always look after you. So I came here.
What happened, Sudhir?
Leave him alone, Rasik. He is discovering apne ghar. Jagu Bhai, now tell us how it happened.
Then come with me. I shall tell you what happened in the jail.
Sai Ram brothers, today is the birthday of our Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. So, we have brought sweets for our brothers in the jail. Please accept.
Besan laddu.
What happened? What happened, brother?
My favorite. My wife makes them so well. But I do not know if I can ever see her.
Why not? After the jail term is over, you will go home and start a new life. Everyone commits mistakes. You committed some mistake. In these 10 years, you shall be purified. 5 years have already passed. Only 5 years more.
If my wife dies, I will kill the jailer first.
Will you kill the jailer?
Yes, I will kill him.
No, brother. No. Killing will not solve the purpose. Satya Sai Baba often says, love ever, hate never. Rather, you kill your anger, your violence, which led you to commit this crime.
Who is that, Baba?
He is God of love and compassion,
Oh,
walking on this earth now. See, here is a picture of him. Keep it with you and pray to him.
oh. This is your Baba. Then how to pray him?
That is very simple. Just sing his bhajans. We'll teach you how to sing.
But I don't like singing.
Then do one thing.
What?
Whatever you do in the jail, think that you are doing it for God. When you walk in the garden, love the plants, water them, trim them. Think our loving God is smiling at you from them. When someone in the jail falls sick, go to him, help him feel better, for our loving God is suffering in him.
Yes, I will follow your words. Let me go to jailer sahib. Sambhu bhai, Suraj bhai, after you left, I thought for a long time about what you said. When I looked at Swami's picture, he appeared smiling at me. Then I asked the jailer sahib to give me garden work. I loved the work. Whenever I touched any flower, I felt I was touching God only.
Jagu, it is all Swami's Leela.
Sambhu bhai, I will tell you one more thing.
What is that, Jagu bhai?
There was one Jaspal in the jail. He was a very violent man. Once he had typhoid. I looked him for a month. I felt so happy taking care of him. I always thought I was taking care of Swami. After a month, he started calling me Jagu bhai, and I called him Jaspal bhai. Then all of us in the jail started calling each other bhai bhai.
Oh, what a transformation! How could it be possible?
And you brothers used to visit us every week. You know how our dear Swami changed the jail into a home. Today morning, when I was set free, Jaspal bhai hugged me and cried a lot. Sambhu bhai, you had given us a mantra that if we dedicate our work to God and work for Him, our hearts will be purified. That changed all of us.
It is not my mantra, brother.
Then?
It is the mantra of our Bhagavan.
Oh.
He had said that to Arjuna before. Dedicate all your work to me. I will free you from all sins.
Sambhu bhai, today I am feeling very happy, as if I have come home after a long time.
Jagu bhai, this is your home now.
This orphanage is not his home. God is his home. And he has found God in his heart. His pilgrimage to himself is on way.
I have told you, Sudhir, you must purify your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions to find God. Now, listen all. Our brother Sudhir has found his answer to Apne Ghar. So brothers, come, let us sing the song together.
सुबह का भूला शाम जो लौटे उसे न भूला कहते, तेरे सामने मंजिल तेरी आ जा तो इस रास्ते। भूला, शाम जो लौटे उसे न भूला कहते, तेरे सामने मंजिल तेरी, आजा तू इस रास्ते। चल मन चल अपने घर को चल, चल मन चल अपने घर को चल। क्यों भटके रे मन यहाँ वहाँ हरदम, क्यों भटके रे मन यहाँ वहाँ हरदम। चारों धाम है तेरे मन में, फिर तुझको क्या गम। चल मन चल अपने घर को चल, चल मन चल अपने घर को चल, चल मन चल अपने घर को चल, चल मन चल अपने घर को चल।